Brainiacs are off to the lab for a much-needed sprucing and an experiment. What's the best household foodstuff to use when you've run out of shaving cream? Steaming hot towels, the shaving equivalent of a slap in the face, to open pores in the skin and soften stubble. Gooey, runny foods, notorious for their stickiness, are needed here. Brainiac 1 will shave using peanut butter, smooth, not crunchy. Brainiac 2's 3-day growth will be soaked in tomato sauce. And Brainiac 3 will use no-frills squirty cream. It certainly looks like shaving cream, but will it work as well?
Apply shaving food.
Good facial coverage is vital. It'll help reduce the friction that causes razor burn.
Razors at the ready.
We've gone for disposable razors, the unforgiving shaving equivalent of those rubbish plastic knives and forks.
And shave.
They have 2 minutes to remove as much of their beards as possible, and the Brainiac with the smoothest shave wins. Skin needs to be well hydrated when shaving. Rich in essential omega-3 fats, thick and creamy peanut butter is ideal for sealing in moisture. It also contains zinc, good for healing cuts fast. Squirty cream, easy to apply and an excellent source of vitamin E, which should help this Brainiac's skin maintain its elasticity and youthfulness. Well, that's a theory. Burgers and chips might feel naked without it, but how good is ketchup as an alternative to shaving cream? Tomatoes are 70% water, so extra lashings of ketchup are needed to maintain lubrication. But on the plus side, it covers up blood spillage a treat. As the clock ticks down, Squirty Cream Boy may look the business, but he's getting whipped by the competition. Peanut Butter Boy has got time to shave behind his ears. And as for Tomato Sauce Brainiac, well, best not go there.
And stop shaving.
No shave would be complete without cologne to close pores in the skin. But no eau de pong here. It's pure alcohol for these boys. It doesn't tell us anything, but it hurts like hell. As for smoothness, Whipped Cream Boy is still looking a bit prickly. Tommy Sauce has made hardly any progress and removed more skin than hair. But there's not even a sign of red nappy rash here. Peanut Butter Boy's skin is smooth as a baby's buttocks.
And the best food for shaving is peanut butter.
If you've got a hot date, have run out of shaving cream and don't mind smelling of nuts, peanut butter is the best a man can get.